cricket team, one who is not going to let off that title easily. Please put your hands together for Tanuj Virvani as the fan favorite, Vayu Raghavan and Akshay Oberoi as Captain Cool, Rohit Shanbag, who will face off in the on-field rivalry of Inside Edge Season 3. Can we have Rohit? Well, हम सब a little ahead, that'd be nice. Center stage, thank you. Well, हम सब काफी curious है जानने के लिए कि you know what's exciting in the series. आप दोनों के बीच में strategy क्या होंगी? पर सबसे पहले वायु, आपको क्या लगता है कि वायु टेस्ट कैप्टन बनने के लिए बेस्ट फिट हैं?
Absolutely, no doubt about it. I think मैं ही नहीं बल्कि इनसाइड एज के सारे फैंस को भी यही लगता है कि वायु राघवन से और बेटर कैप्टन हो ही नहीं सकता. And you know, he has that never say die attitude और वही उसकी USP है. And in this particular season, he's after something really massive. और वो जब तक उसे हासिल ना करे, वो रुकेगा नहीं. So it's Vayu Raghavan all the way.
Oh, the rivalry is already heating up here. But what do you think has been, you know, his biggest weapon in facing an environment of rivalry and always emerging as a winner? What is that?
His faith and confidence in himself, in his abilities, no matter who he's pitted against, no matter the opposition.
Confidence से कूट-कूट के भरा है हमने पूरे, you know, season 2 में देखा है.
जी.
And Rohit, तुमने सुना वायु का कहना? Now.
जी बिल्कुल.
You are a red ball specialist and an expert in the longer format of the game and arguably the most important batsman in the series. And you've also seen Vayu rising fast as a shining star in the Power Play League. Rumor has it that he is gunning for your position. So what are your thoughts on this rivalry? You think possible?
Well, यार मुझे लगता है कि एक अच्छा player एक अच्छा captain बन सकता है. And I think Rohit has shown great efforts in both roles. I know Vayu Raghavan is a very respected T20 cricketer, but जहाँ Test cricket की बात आती है, Vayu is no threat for Rohit.
So is it going to be, I would say, is it going to be tough for Vayu?
I think so, because if Test cricket is the Olympics, then Rohit's the Michael Phelps of that.
Well, he said tough, not impossible. So yeah, I'm coming for you.
Oh.
Yeah. Bring it on, brother.
We like that. We like that. But right now, you cool down a little bit and head to your dugouts and request both of you to stand onto the either side of the stage. Yeah. Well, ये तो on-field rivalry हमने देखी है. Well, अब I request you please stay on stage. Yes, yes, please. Thank you, thank you. क्योंकि मंच पर हम अब दो और लोगों को बुलाना चाहेंगे जो off-field rivalry करते हैं और इसके लिए let's get rolling and get onto the stage. You know, इनकी बात करने का जो तरीका है ना, उसमें एक अलग अंदाज है. हमने सबने देखा है. There is a lot at stake, a lot. यहाँ on field से बड़ा मैच off field खेला जाता है और अब जो इस स्टेज पे आने वाले हैं, वो इस खेल का करता धरता है. They are the masterminds, they're the fortune tellers, the people who love to pay the game behind the game. Please give a round of applause for the handsome and ever so cerebral game player who's back with a bigger and grander plan this season, Vikrant Dhawan, and joining him is the dazzling and fierce Zarina Malik, who's eyeing the throne in this big bad man's world. Please welcome Vivek Oberoi and Richard Chadda. Welcome to both of you. Well, Inside Edge की दुनिया को जितने अच्छे से आप लोग जानते हैं, शायद ही कोई जानता होगा. And विवेक के विक्रांत धवन, सक्सेस, फेलियर, धोखा, अब तक के 2 सीजन्स में विक्रांत ने सब कुछ देखा है. What is it that matters the most to him now, and what are you eyeing for? What is that target, that lakshya in the new season for Vikrant?
Vikrant Dhawan is back for his revenge, to take back what is rightfully his. To answer your first question, Vikrant के लिए अब सिर्फ खेल मैटर करता है. It's not the results. It's the game that he's playing that matters most. क्योंकि जब तक विक्रांत गेम में है, he can turn the tables anytime.
Ooh, the Tehrav said it all. The game behind the game. We are looking forward to it. Zarina, you heard it from the man. Well, Zarina is up for something big this time. किसको हराना चाहती हैं Zarina?
नहीं, मैं किसी को नहीं हराना चाहती है, मैं तो बस खुद जीतना चाहती हूँ. And I think as a woman, Zarina has been watching the game from a distance for a very long time. पर अब गेम के पास जाके उसको बदलने का वक्त आ गया है. And you know that the big chair of the ICB is up for grabs this season, and she's not going to stop at anything.
Wishing you all the best for that. And
Thank you.
let's have a huge round of applause to the off-field game players. Thank you, and request to please step on to the left and right of the stage. And thank you. Well, thank you. Well, this season already looks thrilling and full of suspense. There's a lot of twists and turns that we're expecting. But at the same time, इतनी rivalry उसको सुनने के बाद थोड़ा confusion हो रहा है. इसीलिए इसे उलझन को सुलझाने के लिए ज़रूरी है अच्छे analyst की, an expert, you know, who has to make things easier for us. Please welcome the brains behind the game, a master at perfectly and a loss. Please welcome Shayani Gupta as Rohini Ragwan.
Hello everyone, I hope you're well.
We're fine. I could just feel a static. That's the electrifying presence she's got here. Welcome and good to see you.
Thank you.
Shani, aka Rohini. How do you bring method to this whole madness?
Well, Rohini is an analyst and she works with data, so being sorted and being methodical is pretty much Call of Duty, so it comes with the job. And you know, having said that, I don't think cricket is all about analysis. It's also about the thrill, the excitement, the rivalries. So that's what I think makes it the greatest sport in the world.
And yes, we've seen that you've always been on the edge, inside edge, you know, getting all the info, stats. But I have a googly sawal for you. Vayu aapke bhai hain, but do you think he's fit to become the test captain?
हाँ, वायु भाई है, बहुत सताता है सबको, मुझे भी थोड़ा बहुत. But having said that, I think Vayu should get everything that he deserves, and he's extremely focused and hardworking. We've all seen that. And I'm 100%, rather 200% biased, so I would say he deserves the captaincy.
We could actually see the brotherly love from Vayu coming there. He was actually looking and hoping, what is she going to answer? I hope. And here you get it. But thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Thank
guys, for sharing your thoughts. And this has been an incredible afternoon. But before we proceed, I would like to call on everybody, since we've got, you know, the cast here. I request all of you to please join us center stage. And I would also request the makers to please join us on stage. May I request Farhan, Aparna, Kanishk, Karan, please join us on stage for a nice photo op.